Welcome to our channel. Like our page, Natural Farming East Africa. We talk about using IMO in inoculated depleter system. The pigs enjoy the system because they stay in a natural environment. As you can see, there is feeds there, but the pigs are scavenging for weeds, amaranthus weeds and banana fiber. This pig cannot be able to make more fat because of the greens that we are feeding them, and they are feeding on maize green, Holland, soya, lime and salt. They are now closing up to 5 months, and you can see they are growing well. Please like our page. Natural farming is the way to go for pig farming and poultry keeping. Thank you.